ladies and YouTube fam, welcome back to Mama Don's. Today, since we're still in lockdown, we're going to be making carrot muffins. So we'll have carrots, we have salt, cinnamon, applesauce, baking soda, baking powder, flour, oil, and eggs, and of course the muffin pans. But this recipe makes 12. And just don't forget that you need your eggs to be room temperature, guys. So the first thing that we're going to start off is, the first thing we need to do is mix our applesauce. And it's 8 ounces. And these are 2 4-ounce cups, so put in here. And we're going to mix the sugar and the oil. There. Now, we're just going to mix this up, guys. So then, guys, we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Letting it stir all the way. I'm going to see before we start the next one. That's my dryer going off. Y'all hear that beeping in the background. Then we're going to add another egg. So how you guys holding up with this coronavirus lockdown? I know it's been almost 2 weeks rest and I'm about going crazy being in this house. Because I can't bake like I want to. It's sort of hard. We're going to add this last one. So just keep strong, you guys, and stay encouraged. Because this too shall pass. Okay, we're going to stop the mixer. Oops, I let that down, you guys, so I'll be able to get all of the ingredients, because sometimes it just doesn't get out to the bottom. See, we have this here. Now what we're going to do is add the dry ingredients, which I've already sifted all of this together. So you guys don't have to be bothered by seeing them. And we're just going to stir this up. Now you guys, we got all of our ingredients mixed together. Look how beautiful that looks, you guys. And oh, it smells good. Now we're going to add our carrots. I'm not going to use a mixer because if I want to fold this in, not mix it in. We're just going to mix this in here. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Sorry, I don't know how you holding up with school, being this your senior year and you don't know about graduation.
I'm good.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
I'm proud of you, baby girl. Y'all, my daughter wanted to go to school to be a nurse, so I give the doctors, all the healthcare workers, the people at the grocery stores, the delivery driver people, the food people, everybody who is still essential workers, I give you guys your props, and we're praying for you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm using my ice cream scooper to try to get equal portions. Usually this makes about 12, but depending on how much you scoop in. Now, you should be preheating your ovens to 420 at this time. And when we put these in, we're going to turn it down to 350. You can go 375 depending on your oven. But if your oven runs hot, you want to go 350. And this will bake these to about 15 to 18 minutes. Check in at like around 15 to see if they're done. Okay guys, I got the pan all ready to go. We're just going to put this in the oven over here for 15 to 18 minutes, and we'll come back with you when they're done. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the carrot muffins. So doesn't it look awesome? See? Now moist. So until next week, you guys stay safe, stay encouraged, and God bless you.